good. And we're going against
Playoff match number 4 is go. And we have some long shots coming from Team 15046. We have Brainwaves, the Alliance captain for Alliance Team 2, making some quick moves as well. Team 6282, who we've already seen on field number 2 during the playoffs, is also making quick moves as they've already scored 6 artifacts into their Flashfire rank. Go, go, go! Let's keep the playoffs going. As we have a load coming from Team 3500. They're lining up, and their catapult is very, very efficient. They score all 3 of their 3 attempted shots. They're going to the 3 attempted shots for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance is already getting overflowed, and their Alliance partner, Team 9247, robot named the Big Cheese, is already opened the gate. We have 4, 5 artifacts now scored for the Red Alliance. We have 1 artifact and 3 shots for Team 9247. And the gate is being opened once again for the Red. We have some contact happening between Brainwaves and CV Valley. We have some avoided contact between 9247 and Brainwaves. There goes a 3 for 3 shot once again for Brainwaves. A minute left on the clock. Red Alliance slightly in the lead. As the game is opened up now for the Blue Alliance when they go down the Red Secret Tunnel. We have another 3 scores for the Red Alliance. Trying to open the gate. Only 1 artifact was out. 45 seconds left on the clock as both teams are scoring very quickly. Gate being open for the Red. Lining up, or at least trying to line up to intake 1 of the artifacts. It's 9247. They shoot, and it barely goes out. Contact happening in the middle of the field. CV Valley goes 1, 2, and 3. 25 seconds left on the clock. 3 for 3 for the Red Alliance, and only 2 of the balls attempted. Going for the Blue. 15 seconds left on the clock as we're already in the end zone. There goes some contact in the middle of the field. 10 seconds left on the clock as the time is running out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have 4 boxes in their pants. Excellent, we'll get back to you.
all right, that's cool. That was excellent. And for by both teams, very competitive match. We're gonna have to wait a little bit to get all the scores tabulated and see who comes out on top.
Partial, full, partial.
Yes!
Yep. And someday people are going to realize